Look, if you study but forget after a while, then this video is for you. 3 memory tips, which if you follow, you can become a topper student, not an average student. Tip number 1. If you do Spirit 5 to 7 hours before the exam, then the negativity inside you will go away. Tip number 2. What if you remember everything while sleeping without studying? So look, when we sleep, our brain goes to sleep when we wake up. So in that state, if you watch any lecture video, then when you revise in the morning, you will remember everything. Tip number 3. You must have often been able to do some actions while studying. If you do this action and read something, then when you are a writer, you can remember it with the same action. Go on, kickstart your creativity.